going on, guys? Welcome back. Start the carry on from where we left off. So, what we missed? Well, not what we missed, but where we ended at. Jason died, and our wife Grace hates us, and Sean, yeah, Sean is his name. Sean absolutely hates us. Well, I think he hates us. He just doesn't know why he hates us. So, anyways, let's jump back into it. What's up, bro? You got really pretty eyes. Okay, Tuesday. Inches. Is that the rain we're talking about? This rain accumulation? Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. What's happening? Oh no. There we go. Alright, don't know what happened there. What's happening? Am I like a detective or something? What's going on here? Yeah. Oop, wrong button again. Did that last time. Trying to press 1.
Lauren Winter. Ring any bells?
Nope, can't say it does.
Oh, I wonder if we're the guy trying to catch the
Oh,
origami killer.
that Lauren.
$5 sold you?
Third floor, last door on the left at the end of the corridor.
That's crazy. Almost forgot how to change camera views for a second there. This is crazy. Wait, oh no. No. I'm gonna leave y'all alone. That's crazy. Let me walk. Lauren. Lauren. They done already? Is it midnight? Jeez Louise. House call.
Lauren Winter?
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment.
Client? I'm not a
Wait.
client. Yeah, you're off the clock now, brother.
It's $50.
No,
I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
that's fine. We're not doing any of
Fine by
that.
me.
About to grill you on some questions, though, so I hope you're ready for that. Did you kill your brother?
Put your money on the table. You got exactly 10 minutes when the alarm rings. It's over, okay?
I guess I actually gotta pay. That's crazy. $5? I can't even see it.
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Not here for that.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
Yeah, thank God.
Shit, a cop. I should have known. What you want, a freebie? Is that it?
I don't want that either.
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the origami killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
Yeah,
I already told the police all I know and I have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
I know you got more. I wouldn't be here.
I understand, Lauren.
Yeah, Lauren.
I know what you're going through.
Oh, yeah? You know what it feels like to find your own son's body on
Oh,
a
it's your
wasteland?
son. That's right.
I'm sorry. I don't believe you have the slightest idea what I'm going through, Mr. Shelby.
Well, seems like you like...
The killer is walking around free as we speak. He'll kill again if he's not arrested.
My Johnny's dead, so what difference does it make?
Help us. Ooh.
If we don't find the killer, there'll be other mothers who find their son's body on a deserted wasteland. But you're right. Why should you care? It's not your problem anymore,
A little
right?
bit harsh. Yeah, about to guilt trip your ass. Yeah, who cares if they lose their kiddo?
What do you want to know?
Whatever you haven't said. All right. Start with
Tell me
Johnny.
about Johnny. What kind of kid was he?
Johnny
he anything like
really a good
Jason?
boy. Sometimes he fought with other kids who called me you know. In his own way, I think he understood what was going on.
We know what they called her. We know. It's implied. All right,
Tell
that's a
me
good one.
about
Johnny's father. I don't like that
A
the
loser without a job
options
who liked to
swirl
beat me
around.
after a few drinks. He left the
Can I
day Johnny
move?
disappeared. I ain't seen him since. Coward.
What
Good
is
thing
this?
he left.
It's all right. You can smoke.
You want one?
No thanks, I quit.
Ah, come on. Let me take
That's
one.
brave.
All right. Let's talk about his
How did your
disappearance.
son disappear?
He
wonder if
used
we
to
can just
play
go in
with the
order like
neighborhood
this.
Kids after school.
It'd be fine.
It was pouring
make the
down
right
something
decisions.
awful that day. I'll never forget it. All his friends came home around 5. All except him.
Did Johnny live with you?
Yes. Of course, I made sure he never met any of my clients. I wanted to stop, you know. We needed the money. I was trying to earn enough to get us out of here.
Yeah, we know. The economy today is crazy. 10 minutes.
Time's up, Mr. Shelby. I hope you got what you wanted.
Nah.
Now get out of here.
Nah, $5 more. $5 more. Hear me out. We need justice for your kid. Right? That should be timeless.
No point in pushing it.
No,
She's
I'm
not
gonna
gonna
push
tell
it.
me anymore.
Yes, she is. $50.
I didn't learn squat. Well, it's worth a try.
Dang.
I'll leave my card on the kitchen table. You never know.
Yep. We'll do that.
Well, if you remember anything, the smallest detail, give me a call.
And I'm not a client. So,
I gotta get out of here.
yeah, I'm getting out of here. Let's go. But we got to learn about Johnny. Just a normal kid. Oh, we're dying. What's happening? Come on, man. My inhaler. My oxygen. Oh, no. Did you just walk by, act like nothing ever happened? Are you Johnny's father?
Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
Troy, what are you doing here? I already told you I don't want to see you anymore.
Sorry, Dal, but I really wanted to see ya.
Hold up. Hold up a second. Dad, look. Oh, she's screaming. Let me in. That's probable cause.
What do you want, asshole?
What's up, brother?
Lauren, is everything all right?
I will protect you.
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser.
Oh, I'll show you, loser, buddy. Ooh, let's go!
You again?
Oh, I hit the wrong button. I missed. I missed again. Got that one right. Yeah, I'm beating your ass today, boy. I hit the wrong button again. Hit it right that time. Yeah, you ain't getting it. Dodge that, boy.
Troy, stop or I call the cops. Troy, I will call.
Oh, I messed it up. I don't know what that is. Got that one. Got that one. Oh, Troy, you going down, son. Yeah, that's right. Oh, I hit the wrong button. He's going to cut me. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't want to stab the guy. I hit the wrong button. No, no. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is hard. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I messed that up. Oh my God, I'm going to die. He karate chopped me.
Will you stop, for Christ's sake?
I told you to mind your own business, asshole.
Nah. It's not in my favor. I got to be an advocate.
Seen you, bitch.
What? You call me a bitch? Come on.
Are you
Come on.
alright?
Come on, Shelby.
To tell you the truth, I remember having felt better. Oh,
Yeah. Just
Who
got to
was
play
that
off getting
guy?
your ass
An
beat.
ex-client who thinks he owns me. He was getting violent. I told him I didn't want to see him anymore.
in any case, he packs a good right hook.
Mr. Shelby,
Yeah.
thanks.
Sorry about your apartment. Hope you can afford to fix it. Got so much broken glass. Oh my God, everything's destroyed. Look at the table's gone. All legs just spread out. Alright, just go to Walmart. It'll be fine. All just to get your ass beat. Yeah. Okay. What are we doing here? I'm just staring at this guy. He's got a cut on his cheek. He's got a killer 5 o'clock shadow. What are we? He's got any boogers in his nose? No? No. Uh-oh. What we got going on up here? Whoa, what is that stuff? That blue stuff. What we got going on?
God, my hands are trembling.
Fine.
I gotta keep my act together.
The zone is sectioned off, sir. Please step back.
Agent Norman Jaden, FBI?
You got a badge or something, Mr. Jaden?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Check. You can pass.
I'm looking for Lieutenant Blake. Is he around?
Is he
I
around?
saw him arrive earlier. He's here somewhere.
Thanks.
Oh yeah, man. Sick.
Goddamn rain. Hasn't stopped pouring since I arrived. I'm really gonna love it here.
What are we doing? There's some Detroit
Video
stuff
memo
going
recording. Agent 47023, Norman Jaden. Tuesday, October 4th, 2011. Time is 8:14 a.m.
on. Oh, why did I just... Okay, well... Clearly we need those on. I hope I don't go through that whole thing again. Okay, there we go. Ooh, that's cool. So what am I... Oh, you just mad because I walked you into some water?
I'm looking for Lieutenant Carter Blake. Thanks.
Tons of footprints. What do we got here?
Airy comment. Sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland.
Ah. Oh, there was something over there too. I wonder if that's also...
Some orchid pollen. The concentration of pollen in the air is quickly decreasing because of the rain, but it gets higher in the direction of the body.
Is that important? Is there any stuff over here? No cool stuff? Alright.
Harry, comment. Traces of blood on the railroad track. The blood report indicates an advanced and long-lasting state of exhaustion.
More stuff. Hey.
Footprints continue just after the pollen trail. There's a good chance that they're the killers. Blood on the tracks. But where did it come from? There's a railroad track near where the body is left. Same as all the other victims. The body is still here. Lieutenant Blake? I'm Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI. I went by your office this morning. They told me you'd be here.
Now, if you're looking for rain, dead bodies, and highways, you come to the right place. Mike, will you tell that asshole with the bulldozer to stop for 5 minutes? I can't hear myself think here.
Right away, Lieutenant.
I can't believe they're still letting people work like this close to a
Well,
freaking crime scene.
Coming, Jaden?
So, what happened?
Some guy taking his dog for a piss found a body about 6 o'clock this morning. We don't know much more right now. Based on what we've seen, looks like the work of the origami killer.
Origami.
Has the body been identified?
No, not yet. We should know more later today. Any news on the coroner? He's on his way, Lieutenant. We've been waiting for an hour, for fuck's sake.
Ooh.
Any witnesses?
None yet. Given the neighborhood, I'd be surprised if anybody saw anything.
There are a lot of people on the crime scene. Aren't you afraid your men might destroy some clues?
You don't find proof sitting behind a desk. We're not in the habit of trampling things into the ground, even if we're not in the FBI.
No, of course not. That's not what I meant.
Tony, I don't want to see a single shit-stirring journalist within a mile of here. You got it?
Yes, Lieutenant.
Do you have any leads?
My men are going over the scene with a fine-tooth comb. If the killer left anything behind, we'll find it.
Has the time of death been established?
Based on the rigor mortis, must be less than 6 hours ago. We should know more once the coroner has had a look. Listen, I'm a little busy.
I was about to say,
here.
there's no way this guy's
Discuss all
gonna
this a
sit here and
little
just let me
later. Back at
batter
the
him with
office.
questions.
Oh, no problem. I understand. Do you mind if I have a look around?
Be my guest. Hey, Jaden, you come and see me if you find anything, okay? We're on the same team now.
Are we? That was suspicious. Oop.
Harry comment. Sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland.
Ooh! I want to kick everybody out.
When did they find the body?
Excuse me, bud. Who are you exactly?
Norman Jaden, FBI.
If you want to ask questions, you should speak to Lieutenant Blake, sir.
Pretty lame, to be honest with you. Bet you guys don't have a cool scanner like I do. Wait, where's the body? I'm assuming it's under that tent right there. That hit some scans all the way down. Ain't nobody gonna know what hit him.
Harry comment. The victim was lying on his back. No visible signs of violence.
So much stuff.
Superficial wound on the right thigh. Blood analysis suggests it could be post-mortem. Probably a scratch that occurred when the body was being moved. Small wound on the right thigh. And the blood is the same as on the tracks.
Yep.
A
Piece of
small
origami right there.
figure in the right hand. Fingers were probably closed after the time of death. The victim is Jeremy Bowles, declared missing 5 days ago. See reference file.
Okay. Okay.
An orchid was placed on the victim's chest.
Okay. All right.
His face is covered with mud.
Well, yeah, it is
Yeah,
raining
victims.
outside. He's in a muddy area. Okay, I think I already did that one.
Strange character, that Blake. Didn't
Oh, yeah.
seem too pleased to see me.
No, he seemed like he was crazy.
Harry
Smith.
comment, sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the
Oh
wasteland.
my god, these cops are messing everything up. Everything else we're scanning. Go away. I don't like any of you guys. You guys are all crazy. Anything over here? No? What about...
Harry comment, the pollen particles disappear in the tall grass. It's probably the end of the trail.
Probably. What do you guys see over here? You guys got something? No? You're just standing around doing nothing. Standing in the rain. There's gotta be a reason why I can go back here. No. Oh. Alright, well, can't go that way.
Impressive. Seems the only traces the killer left are those he intended to leave. He knew exactly what he was doing. Right down to the tiniest detail.
I think I've already gotten this one, but it's lit up and the other ones are real dim. So let's just double check. No, it's a bottle. What is this? Bank manager. No criminal record.
Unrelated to the investigation.
Man. Alright, well.
Way too many people here. They're trampling all over the crime scene.
Yeah, it's insane. There's so many cops here for this. Get out of my way. That looks new. That also looks new up there. God, I wish I could sprint.
Harry comment. are traces of blood on the fence behind the railroad line. It comes from the victim. The killer came this way with the body and probably grazed it on his way through the fence.
Could be. Could be. Could be. Yeah? Yeah. Now I'm all muddy. Oh, man. Mr. FBI all muddy. I'm gonna get up there. It's giving me an option to. I gotta smash it. Or is that quite literally the only option it's gonna give me? I mean, I kind of figured. Oh, I gotta hold it. Whoopsie. I got it, I got it, I got it. Don't worry, don't worry. You guys see that? Hang on, I'll do it again, I'll do it again, I'll do it again. Oh, okay. Yo, did y'all see that? Oh my God. You know, I feel like I could have just went around instead. Did you guys see that? Oh my God, I made it. I made it. Who's coming up? All right, we got stuff.
There's a good chance that they're the killers. Harry, count it. Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad line. Maybe the killer's car. I think I've seen all there is to see.
Did you though? I think there's more. There's one thing that's just hidden that's gonna crack this case wide open. And that's walking out and, oh. What is... Wait, does that mean I gotta go back down? Oh, it doesn't even let you. Now we can just slide down this, you know. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, see, I'd rather just slide down. Oh, don't tumble. Don't tumble. Calm down. Calm down. Yeah, just tap dance your way down, buddy. All's good. Oh. Alright.
I think I've seen enough. Better get back to the station before I catch pneumonia.
Yeah, right? Alright, we are out of here. Where's Blake? Hey, Blake. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
I'm heading back to the office. You staying? No, I've seen enough. I'm leaving too.
You want to go together? Can we hold hands? Let's go get donuts. I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you, boy. Let me... Why can't I go under? Do I need to go this way? This is the way I came in from. Oh, specifically right here. Nope. Not going back. Okay. I don't know what that was for. That was cool. That was super cool. This rain is insane, though. My goodness. Unlocked a new bonus? Heck yeah. Is this oh boy? Bat, insect, butterfly. What do we got here? That looks like all of them. What do we see the most? I see a bat and a butterfly. Did I say
Don't
insect?
think, Ethan. Give me the first idea that pops into your head.
Butterfly.
A butterfly.
Oh, it's a wolf all day, or a fox, I guess.
A wolf.
But the eyes kind of look like it look like a wolf more than a fox. Oh, I saw a crab. Ooh, that is. I
Death.
saw death. I mean, I'm
Death.
crazy. This.
I have the results of your MRI scans. Everything seems to be normal. There is no physical damage from the accident. However, I am worried about your psychological condition. I know it's not easy, but you've got to start over, Ethan.
I can't.
You're not responsible for what happened.
I could have saved him.
It's my fault Jason is dead. He'd still be alive if I'd been looking out for him.
And I would still be married.
It was an accident. Accidents happen every day.
Grace doesn't see it that way.
You can't blame yourself forever for your son's death.
My wife does, though.
How is Sean?
Hates me.
He's a
definitely
very
distant.
solitary kid, you know, very focused within himself. He's really close to his mother. With me, he's more distant.
And what about you, Ethan? What do you feel?
Depressed.
I no longer want to live.
Whoa! Whoa! Hold up!
I have no reason to continue.
You still have the
Not
son,
even
though.
for your son, Sean.
I couldn't save Jason. Sean doesn't need a father like me.
Understandable. You know, I kind of get that, but
Is
like,
there something else?
kind
you
of
wanted to
cowardice
tell
too
me,
at the same
Ethan?
time.
Have there been any cases of split personality developing after concussion? Like people doing things but having no memory of what they've done? Like somebody else had been doing them?
We know that in certain cases, a violent shock to the brain can cause serious psychological disturbances, like schizophrenia, for example. That's the end of this session. We'll continue this conversation next week.
Why did he... Okay, so I don't understand why I asked it hypothetically.
You were lucky, Ethan. It's very rare to survive such a traumatic accident.
I don't exactly feel lucky, Doctor.
Yeah. Diving in front of a car to try to save your kid and not saving your kid. Definitely feel a lot on the unlucky factor of that. At least it's not raining. Yep. Come on, let's play.
Aren't you gonna go play with the other kids?
No, play with me. We need to bond.
I don't feel like it.
Oh my goodness. I'll give you an apple and you can leave it on my couch again.
Do you want to eat something?
My goodness.
Is something the matter, Sean?
Communicate with me. Help
No,
me help
I'm
you.
alright.
How did things go at school today?
I was punished because I didn't do my homework.
Maybe you should have done your homework. Oh,
I'm
wait.
sorry about that.
Hey, that's my fault.
Next time, we'll really
Shit.
pull it together, okay?
We don't talk about that. Listen, you said you wanted to stay up and watch TV, and you did. So,
What am I going to do to cheer him up?
yeah, we gotta figure something out.
Sean looks so miserable.
He does.
I wish I could help him. Just... I haven't been on a seesaw in a long time.
Come on, Sean, let's
What do you
go.
think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, cracked you with a seesaw. Let's go, kid. Go, kid. Let's do this. Do this. Come on. Yeah, let's do this.
Come on, Dad. Make me fly.
Oh, I got you, brother. Love it. I love it. Is he smiling? He better be. Yeah, love it. No, no. Ooh, careful. Careful. What? Oh my God. Yeah, you can't touch the ground.
I'll find something else to do with him.
Let's go. Come on. Come on, Sean. Let's do something together. Let's do something. They have a ball. Ah, man, I wish we had a ball. That'd be cool.
He seems to be having fun.
Let's go.
What about
Merry-go-round.
that merry-go-round?
About to make your ass
I bet I can
dizzy.
push you so fast you won't be able to stay on it.
Great.
You won't even be able to see it. You won't even be able to see where you're looking. And then I'll get on too. And then we can ride it together.
Go on, Dad. As fast as you can.
I got you. I got you. I got you. You about to go flying. I thought he was about to go flying off right there.
Whoa. I think my head is spinning.
Go throw up
Good
in the
training
bush.
for astronauts, though.
Good. It's good. It's good.
He seems to be having fun. It's been a long time since I've seen
Ooh.
that smile.
Ooh. Come on. Come on, Sean.
You want to go play on the swing? I'll push you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Let's go. I wonder how long we gotta do this for. Should I go on the other side? Not really pushing. Oh,
You're not pushing, Dad.
I am. I messed it up. I'm scared. Isn't it both? Yeah, it's
Come
both.
on, Dad. Higher.
That was always my favorite when I was a kid. Swinging. Loved to swing when I was a kid. So much fun. Oh, I messed it up.
Why'd you stop?
It was an accident.
Come on, Dad. Higher.
Working on it. I gotta get the momentum up. Love it. I love this. I hope he doesn't get all crappy. And I'm making sure you're doing your homework tonight. Yeah.
That was cool.
Looks like rain's coming. I think we better go.
Okay.
Where you going? You better calm it down, buddy.
You know, sometimes I remember before. I mean, when Jason was still here. Sometimes I wish everything could just be the way it was before.
Me too, Sean. Me too.
Yeah, right? Me too. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Yeah, that's better. Oh my goodness.
Hey, Dad, can I have a ride on the carousel? Can I?
Sure. Go pick a horse and get on. I'll get a ticket.
Yeah, buddy. You better not disappear either. Oh my lord.
Sean looks happy. I wish I could see him like that more often. One, please. That's $1.
I don't like that.
I want to get back to being the kind of father I used to be.
No. No. No, now's not the time. Now is not the time for you to be freaking out. Oh no. Oh no. You're joking. Where's my kid? Oh, I missed. Where's my kid? Where's Sean? Here we go. Round 2. Sean's gone. He's gone. Excuse me. He's gone. He's gone. That's it. And I've lost my rights. Yep. Yep. Oh no, stop it. Stop that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, stop. What's happening? Hang on. Pause. Alright, there we go. Everything should probably be fixed now. Anyways, where were we? Sean! Back to the same area. Oh, man.
Sean, where are you? Sean! Sean!
Oh, no. This is so bad.
Sean! Sean! Sean!
Oh, no. He's not here. How you gonna break the news to Grace? Yeah, I just feel like you should just... Oh no, you got the origami in your hand. Wait, you've had it in your hand this entire time? Man. Should have been going crazy. But what is this traumatic injury that he's gotten? Looks like we're back on Mr. FBI guy. Cutscene. Oh no. I'm gonna come busting through the front door.
Do you think it's gonna take long?
No, he should be finished soon.
Oh my god, I'm still covered in mud. All these cool different... Putting my sunglasses on inside the station. Oh yeah, we're being that guy. Hi, kitty. We got baseball. Oh my god. Ha! That's cool. Oh, that's so cool. We're just gonna let's go. This guy's like, what is he doing? Don't worry, man. It's just the glasses. We done yet? Doing everything. We're doing it all. Doing all the different... Da-da-da. Put the glasses back on. We're doing everything. He didn't give me an option this time. All this to... Nobody's saying anything. Speak to me. Give me attention.
I'm off, Charlene. I'll look at the reports later. I'll cancel all appointments for this afternoon.
Okay.
Oh, we're
Captain,
gonna fight.
Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI is here.
Yeah. You gonna cancel me? Hmm?
Jaden, of course. We've been expecting you.
Obviously, you
I'm
have
in a
not.
bit of a hurry. Do you mind tagging along? We can talk as we walk.
Yeah, of course. I wanted to introduce myself before getting started, but perhaps there's a better time.
No, it's fine. I just have to get to the press conference. We have them every day now. Believe me, it's not always easy finding something to tell them. Fortunately, today we have some news. Have you met Lieutenant Blake yet?
Yeah, we met this morning.
Yeah, he's also a weird character.
He has his own methods, but he's a good cop. I'm sure you'll get on well together. Do you know how to
We'll see.
tie a knot in a necktie?
You don't?
I guess.
To be frank with you, I could have done without the FBI on this one, but the press are all over us. This origami killer case crept up on us, and it's fast becoming a national concern. There are hundreds of killers in this country, but what do you know? This guy...
Hundreds of killers, and you don't even know how to tie a tie.
Flowers and origami figures. Work that one out. Then the press get onto it, and we suddenly become the center of the universe.
I'm here to arrest a serial killer. With all due respect, sir, the rest of it, it's none of my business.
Yeah, sassy.
No, of course not. All I'm asking is that you make progress, and fast. The press want a perpetrator, and we're gonna have to serve him up on a silver platter.
I will, but I feel like Blake's making that hard.
Not bad. Oh, go see Charlene. She'll show you to your office. Yeah, check in on the press conference if you're interested. It'll give you an idea of the political climate around here.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to the club, Jaden.
Thanks. buddy?
I saw Blake when I arrived. Maybe I should go talk to him. I should get Perry's assistant to show me my office. I can't wait to get to work.
Yes. Me too.
I'll have a look around the station. Stretch my legs for a bit.
I mean, you had all the time in the world to do this.
I'm dying of thirst. Where's the water cooler when you need one?
Right here. I remember seeing it earlier. Give me water. I even took the last cup. I mean, I would have kept that cup.
Captain Perry is doing his press conference now. Might be interesting to have a look.
Yeah, but where's it at?
I'm ready to start. Maybe we should kick off by talking about the case?
I have some work to finish here. Let's talk about that later if you don't mind.
Okay. No problem. Just let me know when you're available. Really starting to dislike that guy.
Oh, it's okay. I was
Gotta watch
disliking
my
him
back
before
from
you
now
did.
on. Strange character, Captain Perry. Seems to be more interested in meeting the press than investigating the crime.
Yep. It's true.
The Zodiac killer was never identified. Perhaps the origami killer will never be found either.
We're gonna take a seat.
I don't think there's much chance of that. For the moment, the killer may think he's invulnerable, but in the end he'll make a mistake and we'll be there to arrest him. Yes?
Did the killer leave any written evidence? Perhaps a ransom note explaining his actions? Or anything like that?
No. He has not made contact in any way, and we have only the murders to help us understand his motives.
I'm gonna assume we don't want to talk about the origamis that's left in people's hands.
Some people are saying that the police were slow to take an interest in these murders because the victims lived in poorer parts of the city. What do you say to that?
That's absurd.
Wow.
The police make no distinctions between victims based on their social class. It is true that the origami killer seems to choose his victims from the more impoverished parts of town. The higher crime rate in these areas makes the investigation more difficult. Time for a couple more.
And I guess the amount of rain that we've been getting just kind of helps that.
There are rumors that the FBI has sent a profiler to help with the investigation. Is that true?
You seem to be well informed. Yes, we asked the FBI to send us a profiler to help us with this investigation. We were planning to announce this in the next few days, but it seems that won't be necessary.
According to certain
He's a camera
sources,
guy.
the town hall's been applying pressure to avoid any mention of a serial killer in order not to have an adverse effect on the mayor's election campaign. Do you have anything to say about that?
Pure speculation. At no time has the mayor been involved in this investigation, except to support the efforts of the police force, of course. Thank you for your cooperation.
One question, please, sir. One last question.
Captain Perry, one more question, please.
This investigation is starting to give me the creeps. Get a hold of yourself, man. Case is front page news in all the papers. It's not going to be easy investigating a crime under the glare of all this publicity.
I need to get to my office.
Nice watch.
Oh, it's the present we offer to our new lieutenants. We bought the same model each year for the past 20 years for each promotion. It optimizes everybody's time, and it's the kind of thing that always goes down well. You can contribute to our fund if you like. We're still a few dollars short.
I'm okay. Why not? Not my money.
Congratulate Larry on my behalf.
I'll be sure to do that, sir.
Everybody likes spending $5 around here.
Captain Perry said you could show me to my office?
Yes, of course. Follow me.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Why'd you go this way? Thank you.
This is my office?
That's where I was told to take you. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
I mean, I don't mind it. It's a little it sucks. This office sucks. But, I mean, you get a quiet room to work in. What's so bad about that?
Okay, time to work.
Time to work. But we are going to work next time. Thank you guys all for joining in, watching through. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Still trying to work on talking to nobody. I think I'm doing a little bit better. But anyways, we're going to ignore all that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.